Have you ever had brain surgery? I had, when I was 16. Do you know the role of magnetic resonance in my surgery? A crucial one. Inside the magnetic resonance machine, our body is an orchestra. Each part of the body responds to a magnetic field, creating a symphony of information. Imagine, you are a doctor in a hospital. In front of you, there is an old man that had an ischemic stroke some hours ago. You have to operate on him. You perform a brain scan, a test that, in theory, predicts which brain areas can be saved. Do you trust it? You shouldn't. Today, this estimate is very inaccurate. So the choice is yours. You can only rely on your experience. In Spain, we analyze stroke patients before and after surgery. Consider that ischemic stroke is the second leading cause of death worldwide. What we develop is a game changer, a method to identify which brain areas can be saved. Now, follow me in this second image. You are a restorer in a church. In front of you, there is an old painting, and you must protect it from deterioration. You have in mind several techniques to use, and the success of all of them is based on the level of humidity of the painting in each single layer. But you don't have a machine able to measure such humidity. So again, the choice is yours. You can only rely on your experience. In Germany and Italy, we use the same magnetic resonance technology in cultural heritage. The results? Amazing. We were able to detect, to provide this humidity information to restorers. Do you see the connection? I found one. Doctors and restorers both hold a masterpiece in their hands. Human life, artwork. Magnetic resonance will make them feel less alone in their choice. Thank you.